Hey guys, I talk to you pretty regularly about how fees matter. In this video, we're going to talk about how important fees are and how much they affect your bottom line in retirement. The only thing you can control in investing is the fees. Now, your workplace plan fees are what they are. Try to find the cheapest thing you can. You can't really control that. But when you invest in your other accounts, i.e. your Roths, your IRAs, your whatever, these are where fees can be controlled, and it's important that you do this to save money. Now, we're going to go online, we're going to go to the fncalculator.com page, and we're going to show you a couple of examples of how much the fees matter. Here on the FN Calculators page, the financial calculators, it's fncalculator.com. It's a free service online. It has several different calculators that can calculate cost and sorts of things. You can do anything from compound interest to finding out mutual fund fees, which is what we're doing. We're on the mutual fund calculator right here today. And we're going to take a look at the differences in what fees make. I always preach to you about how this is big. So let's say that Johnny is going to open up a Roth and he's going to put in $6,000 this year. So he makes his first one, and then starting next year, he's going to put in $500 each month, because 12 months is going to make him max it out at $6,000 per year. Let's say that he's going to hold this account for 20 years, and we're going to give him an annual interest rate of 7% because he's young. Now, he decided to invest in a low-cost mutual fund, so we're going to give him, let's say he's decided that he's going to be using VTSAX, the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index. That is a fee of 0.04%. Now, there's no front-end load, there's no redemption fee. Let's calculate and see how Johnny does with this. All right, so we see that after 20 years, his total principal, his total investment is $126,000. So let's look at what it looks like after 10 years. After 10 years, his total fees are only $255. After 20 years, he's paid $1,476.17. Now remember, guys, as the balance grows, the fees compound as well. So at the end of the year, we can see he's got, after 20 years, he's got $276,944.97, and he's paid a total of $1,476.17 in fees. Pretty good. Now let's go back up and let's change things a little bit. Let's keep everything the same, but let's say that Johnny is investing the same amount of money in his workplace plan, and we'll use the cost of my workplace plan. My workplace plan charges 0.44%. Now, as I said, you can't really control how much the cost of your workplace plans are, but try to pick the lowest one. Now, this is actually a large cap index, basically an S&P 500 index, but even that cost me 44 basis points. Now let's calculate that for 20 years with the same numbers. So we've still had $126,000 total invested, right? But we go down to 10 years, I notice that I've already paid $2,768.33. After 20 years, that number jumps up all the way to $15,770.40. Now let's see how much I have. I have $262,650. And I paid a total of $15,770.40 in fees, you guys. That is more than $14,000 more in fees just by going up 40 basis points. Now, let's say that Johnny didn't know any better and he went to a broker and he's going to do his Roth and he's going to put the same amount of money. But let's say the broker says, oh, I can get you in, and I only charge 1%. So let's say all-inclusive costs were 1%, and let's take a look at the same numbers. This is really gonna blow your mind, guys. So with 1%, after 10 years, he's already paid $6,172 and change in fees. After 20 years, he's paid $34,423.64 in fees, and his total has gone all the way down to $243,997.50. That is a big difference, you guys. This is why I tell you fees are important. Always try to use the lowest cost fees that will get you the result that you want. I think I've pretty much proved the point about how much fees matter. So when you are picking your plans, when you look at your workplace plan, when you're picking the funds you want to use the cheapest funds that will get you what you need. Remember to think of your whole portfolio as one. So if your spouse has a cheaper fund, let's say for a bond fund, and you have an S&P 500, and this is the way you can save money at it, do it, you guys. It's gonna save you thousands over the next 20 years or more. The longer your investment horizon, the more money it's gonna affect you, right? So save money on fees. That's all. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment.